Hi, everybody. My name is Krista. I am the owner of White Wings Farm, where we are committed to quality and excellence in nutrition to promote your bird's health. So I wanted to talk about today about our indoor air quality. Did you know that indoor air can be 5 times more polluted than the outside air? Um, that's from NASA. Some plants can actually take 90% out of the mold out of the air alone. And so I did a little research. The first list of air filtering plants was compiled by NASA as a study they did in 1989 to figure out how to keep the air in the space stations nice and clean. And what they found is that there are quite a few plants that do well absorbing carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen, as all plants do. And they also eliminate significant amounts of things like benzene, formaldehyde, trichoethylene. And so what NASA figured out is that the most efficient air cleaning is accomplished with at least one plant per 100 square feet of home or office space. I think for some of us, that's going to be an awful lot of plants, but that is not a problem. And then also some more recent research has shown that microorganisms that are living in the potting soil of the potted plant remove benzene from the air, and that some of the plant species also contribute to removing benzene too. Air purifiers are great, but can be really expensive. You have to replace filters, and eventually you have to replace the whole entire thing, especially if you have birds, live in a dusty climate, have cats or dogs. That can all take a toll on your air quality. What I like about plants is that they help clean the air, but they also are a good decoration. And so here are a few of the best plants that help with your indoor air quality. These ones, I'll do the parrot safe plants next. So these ones are the ones that do the best for your in-home air. So aloe, a spider plant, English ivy, peace lily, snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue. And so for parrot-safe plants, aloe, spider plant, a Danish ivy, the snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue, and a rubber plant. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. I will be creating a list with a few more options, and we'll post that shortly. Do you have plants in your home, and do you find that it helps you breathe easier and sleep better at night? I would love to hear about your favorite plants in the comments below. And that is all I had for tonight. I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night, everybody.